The quadricycle. Before Ford Motor Company was founded, Henry Ford built his first vehicle, called the quadricycle, in 1896. It was a four-wheeled bicycle powered by a gasoline engine and could only go up to 20 miles per hour. It had no brakes or reverse gear. Founded in 1903. Henry Ford and 11 business associates founded the Ford Motor Company on June 16, 1903. With only $28,000 in capital, they started with just one car model. Today, Ford is one of the world's largest and most successful automakers. First sold car. Dr. E. Pfennig, a dentist from Chicago, purchased the first Ford car on July 15, 1903, just a few weeks after Ford Motor Company was established. The first Model A was Ford's original production car. Model T revolution. Introduced in 1908, the Model T became the first affordable automobile for the average American. It was initially priced at around $825, but the efficiency of the assembly line helped bring the cost down to $260 by the 1920s. The first moving assembly line. Ford's introduction of the moving assembly line in 1913 revolutionized car production and influenced manufacturing practices worldwide. This innovation reduced the time to build a Model T from 12 hours to just 90 minutes. Blue oval logo. The famous blue oval logo first appeared in 1907, but it wasn't until 1927 that it became the official trademark, starting with the Model A. It's one of the most recognizable car logos worldwide, symbolizing reliability and innovation. F-150 leadership. Ford's F-Series, particularly the F-150, has been the best-selling truck in the U.S. for more than 40 years. Known for its durability and rugged performance, it has become an American icon, with millions sold yearly. The Ford GT40. Ford famously developed the GT40 sports car in the 1960s after Henry Ford II failed to buy Ferrari. From 1966 to 1969, the GT40 won the 24 Hours of Le Mans 4 consecutive times, cementing Ford's legacy in motorsports. The Thunderbird name. The iconic Ford Thunderbird, introduced in 1955, got its name from a contest held among Ford employees. It's said that the Thunderbird name was inspired by Native American mythology, where the Thunderbird is a symbol of power and protection. Ford Mustang. Launched in 1964, the Ford Mustang defined the pony car segment, offering sporty performance at an affordable price. The first Mustang was an instant hit, selling over 400,000 units in its first year, and continues to be a symbol of American muscle cars. First commercial hybrid SUV. In 2004, Ford launched the Escape Hybrid, marking a significant milestone as the world's first commercial hybrid SUV. It combined fuel efficiency with the utility of an SUV, paving the way for the hybrid and electric vehicle market. Electric future. In line with the shift towards electrification, Ford has committed to investing $22 billion in electric vehicles through 2025. This includes models like the Mustang Mach-E, Ford's first all-electric SUV, and the highly anticipated all-electric F-150 Lightning.